So back today at the UK BBQ School, visiting Marcus, runs a range of courses, inspiring people to get out and cook outdoors. Marcus approached us a while back through recommendation. He had some concerns over security of his new site. He wanted a solution that meant he would be in control of viewing his cameras and arming, disarming the site. It's a very popular site here. It's also shared with an on-site cafe, farm shop, petting areas, that kind of thing. So there's lots of people to and fro in. Marcus wanted to be able to keep tabs on all of that. We installed smart notification turret cameras. That provided the security element. So any intrusion out of hours on set schedule, Marcus will receive smart notifications direct to his mobile phone to alert him of that intrusion. So the cameras gave Marcus a couple of solutions really to issues. One was obviously the security element. He now has access to view cameras in real time through the smart app installed on his mobile phone and other devices. But also the health and safety side of things. Marcus obviously has members of the public here, working with barbecues, hot environment at times. So it provides a health and safety element to it as well. The other solution we offered to Marcus was we installed a Wi-Fi router here. So he had no internet initially. So we managed to get internet across from another site. That's been a game changer for him.
When I set UK BBQ School up in my new location here at Fordmore Farm Shop, I was a bit worried about security and just wanted to make sure that everything I had here was secure and that I could monitor what was going on here. So I spoke to the guys at West Country Tech, and they were very keen. They're very keen to be involved with this project. I think they liked my spot here that I had here, and it was a nice couple of days' work for them. And we had some good fun with the guys. But it was great to see what they could do to help me secure this site here. I was a bit worried going away at night, things like that, that people could just come and have a look round, and I just wanted to cover myself really. So after I had an initial chat with the guys at West Country Tech, I had a meeting with them here. It was very easy. They were very flexible in their timings. They popped over and we worked out what system would best suit my needs here. Then they arranged to install it, and I was really impressed. They gave me a lot of flexibility timings wise to fit in with my work, my classes, my filming that I do at my barbecue school here. And the guys came and they did the job over a couple of days. They were very efficient, they worked really well. They fit in and slot in with my timings. So like one morning I had a nice gap, and then in the afternoon they quietly left so I could just carry on with my teaching. And that was brilliant. They were very clean, very efficient and great to work with. They explained all the process through fully to me, what they were installing, why they were installing it in the places that they were. And yeah, when it came to the job, they were absolutely brilliant. What I'm really liking is that the apps that I've got for my system here are so easy to use. I can just set up, I can just walk away, press a button, and it sets everything up, sets the alarms. And I could just walk away and then leave it knowing that I'm going to get a notification. And for me, I wanted it so that I was in charge of that, in control. I wanted it to be a nice self-monitored system really. I didn't want to have to phone somebody up, call centre or something. I wanted it where I was in control really. And the system the guys set up was perfect for that. And having the systems installed here has given me a real peace of mind so that I could go away on holiday. We had a nice holiday away for a week, and I just keep an eye on things here. Weekends I can have family time, and I don't need to worry about the security and what's going on here. If there are other classes being run here, when I'm not here, I can just keep a quick eye on things, just make sure it's all going well. Having that peace of mind has meant so much to me in starting my business up really.